Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reika, and if you are returning, you already know that I love you guys so much. So in this video, we are going to be reviewing the new RIHANNA beach collection. I went to my local Sephora and I got some goodies for you guys. I did not buy the entire collection. I only bought 3 parts of the collection and I spent $100. But I love RIHANNA, so I'm happy to support. I know she really doesn't need my support because she has everyone else's, but you know, I just had to go and cop a couple of items. Stop talking and we're just gonna jump straight into the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you do so. All you have to do is click the subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll just start. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a couple of swatches for you guys of the products I do have. So starting with the Island Bling 2-in-1 liquid, what is it called? Liquid eye shimmer. I'm gonna take Mamacita and just swatch her for you guys. Okay, so the formula of this feels really thick. That's Mamacita right there. She's real thick. She thick, just know that. But the shade is really pretty. She's like a coral champagne-y kind of shade. Oh my, now this shade is the reason why I bought this one, the Teeny Keeny. Do y'all see that? That is her right there. She's so gorgeous. She has like iridescence of green. She has some blue and some golds in her. Oh, that's really pretty. Like on camera you're just seeing all the green, but when I look at it I see the blues. Definitely gonna be using this on my eyes. And then I'm just gonna swatch the Killawatt Foil as well. So the first one is going to be, what is that, Sandcastle. And that is Sandcastle, but that is a really pretty like champagne silver gold kind of shade. It's really nice. And then this one is the main reason why I wanted to get this shade, Minted Mojito. And just look at that, she's so pretty. She's like a, she has like purple in her. She has purple iridescence, blue, some silvers, a little bit of pink. She's just real cute. But since I did use truffle to contour with, I'm thinking I'm gonna put this in my crease to add a little bit of definition. I think I want to do a glossy eye look. Oh, but I'm pretty sure that's what we're gonna do. The packaging of all of these products are just so lavish, but like what else do you expect from RIHANNA? I am going to take Mamacita. I don't know what I'm doing, guys, so if it come out janky, we just having fun over here. So instead of putting the wand straight onto my eyelid, I'm just gonna take it on my brush. So I'm just going to do this so I can control how much I'm using. But I do like how they come on these little wands. I'm gonna take that and then put it in the outer V. You know what, we can actually put her all over the lid so we can use her as a base for the Kilowatts. Yes, that's what we gonna do. So this is gonna be our base. We're just freestyling over here. But this right here will be a nice everyday makeup look. Like, that's so pretty. It's perfect for the summertime. But since we have all this color, why not play with the color? Now I'm gonna take the Killawatt Foil in the shade Minted Mojito and then just place her all over the lid. I wonder if this stuff is better to use with my hand. Oh my god, this shade. Okay, so it's not picking up a lot with the brush, so I'm just gonna use my finger and hopefully it works better. And it does. Look at that. Okay, so now I just wanted to pop a little bit more. I'm gonna take, what is this again? Teeny Keeny. I'm just gonna put this on my inner corners. See if this works. Oh, that's a lot. I won't put too much. I did just throw on some mascara. I feel like this eye look needs a little bit more pizzazz, so I think I'm going to add, do I want to add Minted Mojito down there or Sandcastle? I'm going to add Minted Mojito on my bottom line. We just going to be real frosty. I did throw on some lashes. I do believe there are Dell 385s. Go back into Truffle. Take a little bit on the exact same brush that we use and then blend it on my hand so I don't have too much. And I'm just going to deepen up this outer V just to add a little bit more dimension because there's just way too much minted shade over here. So since I did just apply my lashes, I am going to wait to add the gloss just to make sure that they don't move my lashes or the lash glue or anything like that. So for the fun part, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then you clearly don't watch my videos. Talking about it's time for highlighter. I am a highlighter fanatic, and with this Killawatt Foil, we're gonna use Sandcastle. I do not have the Fenty highlighter brush. Ooh. Rihanna just gets me. She gets me. She really does. Oh. Look at how wet that looks. And you don't see it from the front. My kind of highlight. Oh, Jesus. Another brush, and I'm going to take Minted Mojito. And I'm just going to apply that on the highest points. Oh my God. I feel like a mermaid. Oh my gosh, on camera. Oh. I'm speechless. I'm so excited. Wow, I'm such a nerd. Okay, I'm gonna go back into Sandcastle and highlight my Cupid's bow and nose. And highlight my brow bone. Now we're gonna finish off the eyes with the, what shade is this? So hard to see. With Mermaid Thighs. I just put a little bit on my hand, and I'm gonna take a nice flat synthetic brush to brush it on top of the shadows. So I'm just patting it on, because if we brush it, then it's gonna brush away everything. Now time to swatch these gorgeous lip glosses for you guys. I think I'm gonna save the blue one for last because it looks like it'll match the look perfectly. So let's start with, we're gonna start with vaycray. Ooh, hello. She looks perfect. That is vaycray. She cute. Like a pinky, glittery, iridescent shade with orange, peach. I like that one. When I saw this one, I thought this one would be my favorite. This is Snake Skin. Oh, this is just so pretty. That iridescent of green and burgundy. Oh yes. No, this is hot. Oh my God. And that Snake Skin. I think this one's my favorite. And last but not least, well, the ones that I have, we are going to be putting on Mermaid Thighs just because she just matches all this blue, green, iridescentness we have going on here. Oh Jesus. This is out of my comfort zone. Oh my God. Oh my God. They smell really good. Whoa there. Whoa there. I feel like an alien from outer space, but a cute one, you know? And that's Mermaid Thighs. She's cute with this look. So I just added Mint and Mojito on top of the lip gloss. It's like a little monochromatic look we got going on. Rihanna, now you know you're gonna have all of us out in the summertime just drenched in blues, purples, oranges, pinks, just like glowing, honey, like glowing. I don't know if this is gonna be a good thing or a bad thing, but I like it. I'm so here for it. It's out of my comfort zone, but I like being thrown out of my comfort zone because I feel like that's what makeup is all about. It's being able to express yourself and just make different looks up every time and just having fun with it. Like, what's the point of doing regular browns and just your typical looks every day when you can play with colors and just be fun? And I don't know, I just really like this collection. I like where she was going with it. Final thoughts on this collection. It's not your everyday collection, which is okay because everyone comes out with everyday collections, and of course it's Rihanna. Like, she's not your everyday type of girl. So I love that she wants us to step out of the box and just be fun and playful and be able to freestyle with our makeup. I love that. I do love the Killawatt foils. That is amazing. The pigmentation on that is something serious. The lip glosses, they're really creamy, feel very moisturizing. They smell great. The only thing I don't like is the shimmer thingy for the eye. I can pass on that. I don't really need that. Maybe if she came out with different shades. Rihanna, you know what we need from you? We need some matte single eyeshadows, cause girl, I can't be walking around with all these metallics every day. I need some matte colors. I love that you want to be playful, but I need to be realistic. If I'm going to be spending this coin on your stuff, man, I need things that I can use on my everyday life. But I don't have anything else to say. I hope you guys enjoy it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.